Okay, I can do a little walkthrough on the nearly complete solar-powered tool shed. The solar panels on top ended up being too heavy with the negative drop of the roof and the weight of the roof itself for the struts that we used, which are I think an oil strut. So we added some actuators to it, powered from this button here, raises it. Gets it up high enough so that we can get in and then raise it the rest of the way. And this is enough room. Initially it was just a shed to hold some of our tools that don't fit in the garage, yard tools, stuff like that, kind of Ryobi theme. Our lawnmowers, got battery storage now. Batteries for the hand tools and blower. Got a electric powered or a AC powered drill press that has to lay down once in here, but I raise it up if I need it. And the saw that we just got for Christmas. And what powers all this? Solar panels coming in through there, coming down into this box. Here is my 24 volt system, part of the Ryobi link kit, and it was what we initially built with these batteries right around the time the lithium iron phosphate battery came out. But this one is not affected by the temperature like the lithium iron phosphate batteries are, and so we use this one outside. We don't have to really maintain it much. It's got 168 18650 batteries in it, and a Jag 35 set of printed circuit boards where you just install them like you do in like a remote control, anything like that. 7 per row, per module, and it comes with a BMS. And that's what runs the shed. It also provides backup power for the art studio, which is up there. It has its own solar and a mini split to cool it. And just finished the wiring today, the more permanent wiring. I've been using these XT90 connectors. I'm kind of going away from them. They're a little difficult to connect. I think I'm going to go to Anderson connectors on the other generator that you may have also seen some videos about, and because they're a little easier to disconnect and connect. But anyway, this has a solar charge controller by April in it. Then it has a 1000 watt inverter, and the inverter control comes out to here, and right now it is actually charging the studio, which is in use right now, and also charging everything in here, which is just charging these batteries up right now. And then it also powers the actuator. That's the other side of the switch that I was pushing to raise the roof. But anyway, this has been a cool project. It's doing what I want it to do now. And time for me to actually start doing some woodworking projects out here, because it's more or less complete. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, we're going to do some more on raised bed gardening powered with solar powered irrigation, and some other projects soon. And I have the other 12 volt generator that I'm building in the bottom of the Ryobi link box. But anyway, this is finished for now. I hope you guys like it, and watch more videos and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks.